Hello everyone, meet with me today again from Sinal. Yeah, today I have new watch just come in brand Maserati. This is a really nice watch. It is an Italian brand. Yes, this brand is super beautiful and it have a 42 millimeter diameter of the screen of the watch, and it made from stainless steel. The color of this watch is a mixing of rose gold and silver, and it is an automatic watch. As you can see, this watch have a model of Air 8823118008, and yes, it's really beautiful. I love the logo of the watch, and the material and the quality of the watch is really nice. And you can find this watch for around 350 euro in Europe, especially in Germany. You can buy online. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and see you guys next